All right, let's also consider this question. Here we are asked to find the value of x from this cyclic quadrilateral TUVW. Now, a cyclic quadrilateral is simply a quadrilateral with its four corners lying on a circle. All right, if you look at this quadrilateral, you will notice that its four corners, the vertex, all of them are lying on a circle. All right, now I want us to know that in circle theorem, the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180. That is, they are supplementary. It means that if you add angle T to angle V, if you add them together, it will give us 180. If you equally add angle W and angle U, they will also give us 180. All right? So yeah, for us to find the value of our x, we are going to add angle 88 to this angle here and equate them to 180 for us to be able to find the value of x. All right, so let's add them. Here we have 88 plus, here we have 3x plus 20 equals to 180 because they are supplementary. All right, so adding 88 to 20, we are going to have 108 plus 3x equals to 180. Collecting like terms, we have 3x equals to 180 minus 108. So let's subtract 108 from 180. It will give us 3x equals to 72. All right? So let's divide both sides by the coefficient of x, that is 3. 3 cancel here, give us 1, 1. 3 into 3, 1. 3 into 7, it will give us 2, 2, remainder 1. All right? So right to that remainder 1, add it here, it will be 12. 2 into 12 will give us 4. So the value of our x is equals to 24 degrees. So our x here is 24 degrees.